everybody, how are you? Picked this up at the Dollar Tree. I'm actually running back to get more. Well, I'll run back and get more after I see how this craft came out. The other day you saw this. This was one of those frames from the Dollar Tree that had something already written on it, and I scraped it off and I made it my own. And it looks so pretty sitting here. Actually, I wish I could bring that in a little. There you go. It takes up so much of my desk. Alright, not today. That works. Look how cute that is. So this is what I'm thinking. Same concept. This is a cute saying, but I want it to be something with Disney. So I think I'm going to scratch this off and I'm going to make it my own. I'm not going to torture you with the sound of the scratching. I know I had a razor blade on my desk. There it is. Hold on. So I'm going to do a little scratching and upcycling and just sit back and relax and watch me. So this is what I came up with. What do you think? Isn't she cute? So I measured it out and I thought that I was going to do it in vinyl, but I'm not going to, because honestly I want to be able to change this out as I want it. I absolutely love this. It's absolutely adorable. Look at that. So what I'm gonna do is this. I'm just gonna put little dots on it so that it stays. I don't have any removable adhesive, but okay, that's my new phone stand. It went from being a Dollar Tree thing to my thing. And honestly, I don't know what I did with my cell phone. Oh my gosh, where's my cell phone? I don't know where my cell phone is. I could also put my Stampin' Block right on it. Or, this could be my inspiration. Psst, Donna. What are you working on? Look at that. Isn't that the best? Love it. Love it, love it, love it. All right, well, thanks for watching. Thanks for hanging out with me. Thanks for putting up with me. I hope you enjoyed this. Please hit that subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment. I love you all for watching. Have a great day. Have a blessed day. And I will see you real soon. Bye, everybody.